Yo, what up guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today we're gonna head out of town and pick up a bumper, a hood, and maybe a bumper support for the Civic. I called ahead to order the hood and the bumper. I'm not sure if they have a bumper support in, but we're gonna head out and hopefully they have that in stock so we could take that to the body shop.
Then arrive at your destination.
I'm gonna just go ahead and get the seat all down right now because gotta fit a hood in here. This is for the MR2 right here. Oh.
Shows we have one for $34.65. Shows they have one in Modesto, but if they don't have that one, I can only get a Kappa one for $108.72.
So you don't have one in stock here?
Mm-mm.
Okay, we can put it on hold on Modesto, that's fine.
Okay. So then it's gonna be $186.20.
Thank you. Okay, they're gonna bring them out here or out to the side? Okay. Oh yeah, that one already bad, huh?
Yeah.
Right there. Then you got it right there. Yep. There you go. Definitely gotta get another one. I remember one time I didn't check my parts and I took them to the house, and man, it was the hardest. I had the hardest time trying to return them. So definitely making sure I check all the corners, all the edges, because this is a warehouse, so you never know what type of damage it might sustain through being transported here. Bumper's plastic, so
When did you get these ones?
They're from this year.
Yeah.
I got a couple weeks ago.
Alright guys, that just like legit sucks. Literally just drove 1 hour to pick up this bumper, and that sucks, man. Like, I should have knew better. I should have just went ahead and went to Modesto anyway, but I was like, you know what, let me just go to Stockton and grab these parts. But every single time I come to Stockton, they literally don't have the damn parts, and Modesto usually has them. I don't know why I chose to come to Stockton today. Do not know why, but honestly, I did order the parts, so the parts should have been here. But as you've seen, that thing was so damaged and clapped out, there was no way I was taking that home. And this took an hour to get here, so we're about to drive from Stockton all the way to Modesto, so that's 45 minutes, and then back to the body shop, so that's going to be another 30 minutes from the Modesto. So man, it's like damn near what, almost a 2-hour drive, more than that, like 2 hours and 30 minutes now to get the parts. So sucks, but I'm getting this shit done today. I'm tired of lagging on it. Like, insurance has already been lagging, so I just want to get it done. So we're headed out to Modesto right now to pick up the rest of the parts, and then we're gonna go stop by Alex's shop and drop the parts off. All right, man. 40 minutes later, we are finally here in Modesto, but let's get in here, guys. I am here picking up parts for, you need my phone number? Yeah. And it should be a hood and a bumper support for a 2000 I'm sorry, the hood's gonna be a 2000 Civic, and the bumper supports a 1996 Civic. But yeah, but they sent me over here because all their parts were damaged. So
Oh, got it. Alright, let me check on the Stockton stock. Give me 1 moment.
okay.
Okay, alright. Please come to pick up
Front bumper support.
Nomás veo el hood.
Yep. Perfect. Okay.
But I can do a stock to be 100% sure if we have it in here, because it shows that we may have it available.
Okay.
So you want to wait a little bit, and
Yeah.
for the hood, we have it.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Okay. And also, you want to pay together if we have it.
I'll pay together. Yeah.
All right.
Hopefully we got everything in stock because we're getting the bumper reinforcement right now and the hood. So I think everything's gonna be in though. We'll see right now. Here she comes.
He's checking right now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bumper support? 96, yeah. And we got the hood too. Let's check that hood. Yeah, for 2000 though. Bumper support. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this in real quick. Dope. This is why I always come to the Modesto one. I'm gonna just stop going to the Stockton one because literally, man, it'd be wasting my damn time. Right there, good to go. So now, basically just gonna check to see if the hood's in. Hopefully it's in. They should have the hood in, and we'll go ahead and put that in the car. After this, we're gonna meet Alex at the body shop. But again, I gotta check the hood because you guys seen how damaged that last hood was. It was crazy, so we're definitely checking the hood. And bringing my hood right now. Yeah. You got a few minutes so I go pay for it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you also need the reinforcement, right?
Yeah, but he got the reinforcement.
Thank you.
Yep. And they had one straight beat up like somebody was dancing on it, bro.
Oh, yeah? That's why I didn't check it so I don't get in trouble for the same shit, you know?
Oh hell yeah, I remember when I used to come get hella body parts. I just had to make sure I double check shit because
Is it good or what?
yeah, it was good so far. Last time I didn't check these and shit was like bent up. Oh, one of them. I think that looks cool, bro.
My car is just full.
Civic. That was good. Little white EK. It's a 2000. Front end swap on it. And then I built it on a YouTube channel, so it's pretty clean. Built to drive, built, and then the number 2 and drive. All right guys, before I leave, I always double check one more time because you know how you feel kind of pressured to check shit directly in front of people, you know what I'm saying? So I just double check one more time because you might overlook something when somebody's talking to you, distracting you. So I'm gonna just check this out before I put it in the car. I'm gonna ask him to bring out one more hood just to double check because I feel a dip right here. We got a dip right here, and a dip right here. So, and I don't feel dips anywhere else on here, so I'm gonna see if they could bring out one more just to double check. So this hood's used, guys. You can see it right there, and they already had this on the car because there's wax right there, and you can see all this right here. and the paint's gone out of the screw holes. So I'm gonna definitely get another one. Finally made it to the exit. Man, this sucks. So long, it takes so long. I think what we're gonna do is just back it on up. We're actually just parked right here. Straight by Alex's office. Alright guys, so I'm back here at Manteca Auto Body, about to go in and meet Alex and drop off all these parts, and hopefully we can get a sneak peek of the car and see if they did anything at all. If not, oh well, but about to go see what's up. Got my Tong Yang shit, bro.
Found the SI grill?
No, bro. I did, but that shit was like 500 bucks. Last look at this bitch, bro. Ugly as f. And everybody's like, oh, your headlights look good to me online. They're like, you can use the headlights still. Get the f out of here, bro. People are so stupid. That's just crazy. Yeah, it'll definitely be back though. Motherfucker got smacked hard. That shit is crazy. There's some dollars too, just for the fucking fan. So yeah, dude, the foul fan. That's how I was like, just little dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I didn't touch the motor or touch the transmission, bro. Cause, bro, I just bought 3 transmissions, so I did not touch the transmission, bro. And I bought them at like $400 or $500 each. So I just spent $1,500, almost 2 racks on transmissions, then putting them in and out the car. Yeah. So yeah, I'm satisfied.
Powder coated this one?
Yeah, I powder coated that. Bro, I'm so glad I missed that like perfectly too. All right, so all the parts are dropped off right now. He's gonna call me back when they start working on it, so I get some footage for you guys of the actual repair.